What happened, brother?
Yeah, I went to de-escalate fight.
You want to do what?
De-escalate fight. Two people were fighting, so.
You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate fight.
Eh?
He went to disconnect fight.
Okay, you went to go and separate people that fight here.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Is it what you are saying? You went to a challenge fight?
De-escalate.
Escalate.
De-escalate.
De-escalate.
Yes.
Yeah, you carry problem and begin to speak high grammar. De-escalate. You went to two people that fight here.
Yes.
Eh? So what do you mean by de-escalate?
A kind of separating them.
Okay, you went to de-escalate.
Yes.
That is means there's separating there.
Yes, yeah.
So it is shown now kujiga akaga.
Yes, yeah. I went to the hospital. They did X-ray. So the bone.
Okay, so you went to hospital. The house is already damaged.
Yeah, it's broken. The bone.
It
here.
broke.
Yeah, it's a broken bone.
You went to separate people from fight.
Yes.
Let's go straight to this soft grammar. Don't go to this bigger grammar. I have never heard this one before. De-escalate. It's like a DSS. I understand me?
Yes, sir.
Something like that.
Exactly.
DS. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Escalate.
Escalate.
That is mean DSS.
Yes.
That is like a promotion. With your broken hands, you have to soften so that we can go straight point to your problem. Because you know when you put a higher grammar that I don't understand, I must learn then. I don't even like to people to take me where I don't know. I don't like that.
Exactly, sir.
So today I have already understand this language, de-escalate. That is like DSS.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Yeah, welcome. You come down from UK.